Oh my goodness, you're putting more.
Appreciate it.
I like them like country, like real fun. But these are my two everyday activities. My daughter's got the same. So.
Did you find your copy machine? See, you found one. Are you looking at the record player? Is that any good?
I love the old hardware on it.
I'm sorry, this is
Pretty neat.
okay. I don't know where I'm laying it. So yeah, 636.
That's a heavy kettle right there. It's hard to pick it up. Like we can't lay on. What's neat?
Yeah. That knows too.
6'7" plus
Like pews,
Yeah.
place for the Bible,
Yep.
songbook.
Yep. That's what it is. It's heavy.
You're not like the bank here, are you getting suckers and stuff?
yeah, I'll get it back in the line.
Turn on the light there.
Oh yeah. Salt lamps.
Well, it's a candle thing. It's got a candle lamp.
I thought it was kind you hook up like those salt lamps.
No, it's candle based.
Seashells.
Son's out there big mowing his grass. But mine's fell off. You're not interested, are you?
Huh?
You're not interested in it?
What? Oh, that salt? No, I ain't. No, not really. Your butterflies.
Yeah. I love layering.
I don't know what happened. I know that thing was now that it's not open.
Shirt.
I thought I could sneak behind you like you see. I'm not that quiet though.
Go right ahead.
Well, I've lost about 90 pounds already, so. It was by choice, I mean, I'm glad I lost it, but still, I'm sick.
Clicks.
From the bottoms, or I didn't look from the bottoms, the heating part of it. She showed me like the copper and the way it heats up. She likes the other one, not the copper, but the other one, the way it heats.
Yeah.
That's well, I didn't know that. I didn't know that about that. Said her and her husband buy stuff all the time. Like that's what they look for, them cooling ramps. Guess what I found over and give it to her?
Got me something for my soap making.
There was this big stone wheel over there, solid stone. It was
Scary.
a pizza stone.
Oh, okay.
You put in the oven.
Oh,
You put your
yeah.
pizza on it.
Did she get it?
I said, do you want it? She said, well, if you don't want it, I want it. Well, here, I give it to her. I thought it'd be hard on it. It's heavy.
Oh, yeah.
She probably needs it when I do.
I'm going sideways. I'm going sideways. Make everybody dizzy. Oh, there's a good pet. It's going in the buggy.
Never heard.
Probably theirs.
Probably.
This little dog, it's saying, Kevin, take me home. Look at that angel. Boy, I didn't even notice it till just now. Its wings are moving.
Okay.
Oh, that dog there's got teeth. She's a bride too.
Ask Gino to bring let's put some carts out now.
$3.
I'll be right there, ma'am. Alright, I'm just looking
Eyeliner.
Long John. Through the loom. Oh yeah.
Where's your Amish hat? No one, it's a cowboy hat.
Oh, the lady right there wants to know. $3. You fine?
Oh, that store don't exist anymore. Watson's. Remember that store, Watson's? Earmuffs.
Seem like I do, but I don't.
Oh, look how pretty that is. It's for a little kid though. It's pretty. We're going different size.
What is that?
I have no clue. Something heavy though.
There's your strobe light.
Yeah.
It works.
What says on the top? Some kind of hardware or something. I don't know exactly what. I don't either.
Probably sure it is.
I have no clue.
Yeah, that's head.
Well,
Overhead shirt.
that's heavy.
Made by Kohler.
And that hit me.
Denim jacket. Won't fit me though. Oh. Coats.
He's a good little dog, I know that.
Oh yeah, and he's new. He's mean.
Mean. That's every first grader's dream.
Yeah. I love going through stuff like that. Dump them all out.
That's about the hall and play with them. That one little boy bring out He-Man stuff every day. They had to. Where you going now? hey.
Oh.
You want your new record player?
I don't know. Does it work?
$15. Said, yeah, they've had records on it, works, but it doesn't have speakers. We got speakers at home. It's made for the small record.
Oh, okay.
All
Oh,
small.
really?
Yeah, it's a small. It's only this big.
I'll go look at it in a minute. I really like
That's
this.
pretty. That's table art.
Is it real wood?
Yeah, somebody cut it with a chainsaw. You can tell. This
I
is
like
the chainsaw here. Yeah, it's real wood right there. It's a
Yeah,
chunk.
I like it.
Want it?
Yeah. It's heavy. I can't really lift it. Okay, I'm getting it.
Well, throw that the other way.
I want to look damage my wood. I'm telling you.
Damage you.
That's for you.
Yeah, state bliss. State of bliss. You put your picture in there and that's for you. It's look, it's got a thing on the back of it.
Oh, like a, yeah, that's a cool idea.
That's for you. Stay on the field.
You're not nuts for it, are you?
That's too nutty for me.
I don't know if that's possible.
It is. I look at it. It's got the needle. It's got. It works good. So. And what is that, a squirrel?
No, I'll pass on squirrel head.
You might want squirrel.
Okay, I'm doing the haul video where I went to the United Helping Hands located in Pikeville, Kentucky. That's one of my favorite thrifting stores. So I wanted to show what I got from that trip. And I think the best thing that I found was this record player. And it was $15. It's not an older record player, but it actually works. So I have a collection of these so I can always play my record collection on something. And it actually works. You can see. I'll turn it on. We'll see what we can do with it. Let's see. I think the record's a little scratchy. It's stuck. Okay. It's a little scratchy. Oh. Okay, it's not working. That's a good record player. It's an old record that's on it. 45. It plays 3 different speeds. What's that say? Wall Door Record Corp. Newark, New Jersey. Many times. Okay, I can't even read it, but. From Moulin Rouge. The song from Moulin Rouge. But anyway, that's the record I had on here to test it out with. And I also got these. And got them for $1 piece. I got 2 of them for some soap making. I'm going to try this summer or this spring. I'm going to try my hand at soap making, so we'll see how that goes. I'm trying to find me some cheap supplies to start out with. And I got some office supplies, a pack of letterhead paper, and a Hard Rock Cafe, Key West. Does that say Key West? No, Newport Beach. And I paid $2 for it. It's a pendant. I'm sorry about this camera angle. Yep, Newport Beach. It's a sailboat. $2. Which I love these. Okay. And I got some sealed in the pack eyeliner. Girls gotta have some eyeliner sometimes. I think I give like $2 for that. It's sealed in the pack. Okay. And this is an old-fashioned key holder. Like a billfold. And the reason why I wanted this, because it brings back nostalgia to me, because my grandpa had one of these. His one was a lot older though. And I would play, he would let me play with it when I would come to his house. So when I saw that, I instantly brought back memories of him being still alive and going to his house and him letting me play with this stuff. But he was a coal miner and he died of black lung when I was little. That's one of my memories though I have of him. You can see, put your keys on this. And that's what that is. I thought that was pretty cool. Cowhide. Okay. And I found a box of pen ink. And I asked him, why would I want this fountain pen ink? I think I give $2 for it. And reason why I picked this up, because it reminded me of John Boy on the Waltons. When he would sit at his desk of the evening, he would do his writing at the end of the episode. And he would dip his little pen in the ink and he would write with the window open and wind blowing through the curtains. And I always thought, oh, I'll be fancy. I'll be like John Boy and have me a pen with, you gotta dip the ink. I can't get it to focus on that. Germany. And that's pretty cool. Now fix me up a John Boy desk so I can do my writing. I can be fancy. And some books I bought. I love Lee Smith. She's a great writer. And I found a book of hers I haven't read yet, called The Last Girls, a novel by Lee Smith. New York Times bestseller. I can't wait to get into reading this. So that's going to be a cool read. And then I found an old hymnal which I pick up sometimes. Just love looking through it, the print. This is the Church of Christ, Betsy Lane, Kentucky. So it came from a old church. You can use these in crafting. Just look at the words to the music. If you can't play music, which I can't play, can't sing either. But I love looking at the books. They're pretty cool. I love old hymnals and that. Office supplies, got plenty of binders and folders, and they didn't hardly charge you anything for these. And this, which is heavy, is a chunk of wood. And I would really love to refinish this. You can see it's pretty big. And it has flat spots on it to put. You could make you up a vignette. Or maybe even put it on a shelf and redo it. It's a pretty piece of wood. You can tell it's been cut with a chainsaw. You can see the marks. I got this at the Helping Hands too. I don't remember what they charged me for this. I can't remember, so. But it's pretty cool. Make something with this. Put it in one of my vignettes. Or make something with it. And picture frames, which I've been wanting to print off some family photos and hang on a gallery wall. It's got a faux wood finish, which I like. And see, it came from Walmart, but I don't think they only charged me but $1 for this. So that's a pretty good price for an 8x10. But that was my haul that I got from the United Helping Hands at Pikeville.